चलिए अब उसी चैप्टर का अगला देखते हैं पैराग्राफ। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का वीडियो। ए ग्रुप ऑफ ड्रैगन फाइल वेयर बेस्टलाइन अबाउट ऑन दियर gaudy purple wings intercepting the flight of a lion, black bee, our beauty butterfly, in search of sweetness from the blower. The child flapped them in the air with this gauge till one of them would steal its wings and rest, and he would try to catch it, but it would go flapping, and he would try to catch it, but it would go flapping up into the air when he had almost it in his hand. Then his mother gave a category call, "Come, child, come, come on the footpath." He ran toward his friends gaily and walked abreast of them for a while, being, however, soon left behind, attracted by the little insects and worms along the footpath. They were teeming out from their hiding place to enjoy of something. "Come, child, come," his parents called from the shade of a grave where they had seated themselves on the edge of a well. He ran towards them. A shower of young flowers fell upon the child as he entered. The parent petals in his hand, but lo, he had the cooing of doves, and run petals dropped from his forgotten hand. "Come, child, come," they called to the child, who had now gone running in wild capers round the banyan tree and gathering him up. They took the narrow, winding footpath which led to the fair through the mustard fields. As they neared the village, the child could see many other footpaths full of throngs conversing to the wilder pool of the fair, and felt at once repelled and fascinated by the confusion of the world. He was entering a sweetmeat cellar, hawked gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi, jalebi at the corner of the entrance, and a cupboard pressed round his counter at the foot of an archer of many colored sweets decorated with leaves of silver and gold. The child started open-eyed, and his mouth watered for the burfi that was he for very sweet. I want that बर्फी। तो चलिए आज का वीडियो यहीं पर समाप्त करते हैं, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।